Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. I am going to unbox my second Stitch Fix box and see if they got it right this time. So let's do this because I've been out of town and I have to return this stuff today if I don't want it. So let's get into it. I have the box right here. And excuse the cat hair, it's been sitting on the floor for a week. So yeah, let me open it. Trash. All right. I'm hoping it's better this time. Here's the return bag, because we might need that. All right. Interesting. Okay. So, yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I see is this. Y'all, they've done much better this time. How cute is this with the dolman sleeve or batwing, whatever. It's really sheer. It's like a perfect grungy color. I'm not a big wearer of brown, but it's almost like a burgundy kind of brown, like a wine color. So it says it's dark purple. Yeah, this is super cute. It's like in at the bottom here, so it's smaller at the bottom and it's like super baggy, which I love with like my faux leather leggings. I think this could be a winner. I do. I think this could be a winner. I'm impressed already. That's exciting. Okay, so they sent me something this color last time and I didn't like it. I do like gray, but I like grungier grays. I'm not much for like the white gray kind of thing, but let's check it out. Let's give it a fair shot. Obviously it's a sweater. Okay, so here's the front of it. And it's cute, but look at the back. How cute is that? That like kind of distressed looking open back. I mean, this is adorable. I have a black sweater like this, so I do like this. So far so good. I mean, we'll see when I try it on, but I'm not sure about this color, but they did well with the style. But again, I don't know about the color. We'll see though. Let me get the next one. Okay, so I have tried stuff like this on before and it doesn't really work for me. I'll just show you. It's a cute little tank top. Okay, so when I said I didn't like these kinds of things on me, this is cotton and that makes a huge difference. Like the other ones were more of like a synthetic kind of, this is like a cotton knit is what I'm trying to say. So I do like the knit aspect of it. So this could be super cute. It has the zipper detail. You guys, if you know me at all, you know I love the zipper. Okay, so actually it is that material in the front and it's knit on the back. And it has two fake pockets with little studs, which is cute. It's a possibility. I'll try it. Next. Okay. How cute is this? I know what this is. Here's the thing. I have one of these already, I think. So let me just look at it. Do you see this? It's so freaking cute. I love this. It's got buttons and a zipper. It's like a little military type thing. It's dark green. It has a really cool pocket and cinches at the waist. I mean, damn. This is super cute. I do already have one, but I do like this, so we'll see how they fit. But I mean, I don't need to. The other one's like a more light color, khaki, like olive drab. This one's like a darker one, but so far I'm pretty impressed. I think they actually listened to me. And I think, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have one more item, and it looks like a pair of pants. So let me grab it. Look at this grungy plum jean. How cute. And it's a skinny jean with a zipper detail, a really nice long zipper detail. Wow, I am sure glad I switched stylists and got my link to my Pinterest page to work, because look how cute these are. They're little, oh, they're like cargo. The zipper detail there. Really good large pockets on the back. Guys, this is a damn good box. There's like nothing in here that's just like speaks to my more kind of designer style or my like super like goth fancy style, but for casual stuff, this is the kind of stuff I like. So let's see what happens when I try it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I just found the little card with the note on it. I just wanted to quickly read that to you because I appreciated it. So it says, "Happy Fix Day. Before we jump into your fix today, I wanted to say thank you for making a Pinterest board. As seasons change and you come across new styles or trends you'd like to try, please feel free to add new pins to your board. This is a great way to communicate the aesthetic you're hoping to see in your fixes. Now to the fun stuff. Since your Pinterest features cargo jackets, I started you with the Market and Spruce belted cargo jacket. Add the edgy pistola cropped pants for a winning combination. How do you like the fit and length when you have them on? Add some gray booties and the intriguing open back sweater for errands or brunch with some friends. Let me know what works well and what needs improvement. Enjoy." It's Sathya, so I'm not sure if it's like Satya or Satya or Satya, or I don't know how to pronounce your name, but you are lovely. Thank you for paying attention to me. Okay, now I'll be back. Okay, let's talk about the individual pieces. These Pistola Topanga cargo zipper detail skinny pant. These are like a cropped cargo type jean. The pockets are like perfect for my phone. They're really stretchy and comfortable. They fit me very well. They're a little bit loose, but I'm not mad at it because I can have them taken in if I lose any more weight. But they're really, really, it's so nice to have a pair of jeans right now that actually fits me because I've gained weight. So I'm definitely loving those, and the color is divine. I'm obsessed with that color. I love them. Next is the Stitches and Stripes Fully Distressed Back Cotton Blend Sweater. Now this is a perfect fit. I love the detail on the back. I love the way that this fits. I'm not obsessed with this color, but I like it. And I feel like I could actually dye that, kind of distress it, like tie-dye it or something if I needed to. So it's cute. Do I want to spend a bunch of money on something that I'm just gonna like mess with? Not really, but it's cute. I don't mind. So that's, you know, we'll see. Also, I should be telling you the prices. So the pants were $88. which is pretty average for a pair of jeans, so I'm not like shocked by that. It's a lot nowadays, so I'm not too worried about that. Anyway, the sweater is $68. That's a little spendy, I'm not gonna lie. So that one I'll think about. Okay. Next is the Market and Spruce Bambi belted cargo jacket. Yes. That one is $88. Again, that doesn't shock me. It's really well fitted. The sleeves are long enough, which is amazing. I have a very difficult time finding sleeves that are long enough for me. It's flattering. It's a really nice material. I do have one, but mine is more lightweight. This one is kind of, I could see myself wearing this in the fall. So, and it's a different color. It's darker. So I don't know. I really, really love this jacket. So we'll see, but that is also $88. Okay, so then I have the Fortune and Ivy Lighten Zip Detail Mixed Material Blouse. And I do actually think that the cotton panel on the back is actually more flattering. So it actually gives it a little more give, so it doesn't bunch up weird on me, because I have a smaller chest and these types of shirts generally look strange on me, but this one looks great. I really like that as a layering piece. It's totally my style. It's a nice black tank, and it's a kind of a more fine, it's just different than just like a plain cotton tank. It dresses it up a little bit, and I really, really like that. So that's a nice one, and that one is $36. Everything is extra large, and the pants are 14, just so you know. But that's $36. I don't know if I'd pay $36 for that, so we'll come back to that. It's cute though, but that's a lot. I do like it. Anyway, moving on. What's left? Did we touch on oh, we have one more. So last is the Jolie Reed 3/4 sleeve knit top, and that one is $38. So, I mean, I think that seems about right. I love this top. It fits so nicely. It's such a nice fabric. It's got a little bit of, it's really thin, but it's like super soft and just cozy. It's like a really well-worn sweater or t-shirt or something, kind of a feel to it. I love it. I love the way that it fits around my waist and hips, and just kind of is baggy everywhere else. It's a beautiful fabric. It's a beautiful color. This is totally up my alley. I love this. And honestly, everything looks good together. So I do enjoy that. So I think my stylist, my new stylist, Satya, I think they did a phenomenal job. Again, I would really like to see something that is more edgy, more fashion forward, kind of like, I guess just less casual. So it would be cool if I could get something a little bit less casual in my next box, but I do think I will continue getting these boxes because they did such a fantastic job this time. Now for the totals. I have here for everything, it's $318. And if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount of, it turns out to be $79.50. Then there is a styling fee, which is $15, plus I have a $5 credit. So that's another $20. So it brings it down to $218.50 if I want to get everything. So let's see. Honestly, I think that's a really good deal. I feel like I might be pickier if it wasn't for the events that are happening currently. I really don't want to go to the post office. So that being said, I'm going to keep everything because I actually really do like everything and I will wear everything. So I would have paid a little bit less for some of the things, like that black top I probably would have got on sale at Nordstrom Rack or something for like 10 bucks. The sweater, I'm probably gonna dye it because it's too light. It's not that I don't like light colors. I will even wear white. It's just, there's something about that light gray, that cool tone light gray that I'm not a fan of. It's like a white gray. It needs to be a little more dingy if it's gonna be like a light gray. You know what I'm saying? A little grungier. This one's a little too neat and nice of a color. Does that make sense? I don't know. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, this is grunge and this is not. So I'm gonna have to grunge this up. I'm gonna dirty it up. I'm gonna throw it in a bucket with some red dye and I'm gonna dirty this up. And I know that's a lot of money for that, but it's already like this distressed look and I think that'll look really, really cool. So I'm excited for that. Let me just check the material though. It's cotton. It's a cotton blend. Let me see. That's good news, by the way. That's what we're looking for. Ooh, it's 60% cotton, 40% viscose. So I think that that'll be all right. Even if it's just the cotton that picks up on the dye, it'll look really cool because that's 60% of this anyway. So I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm gonna grunge that up. I'm gonna dirty that up. But yeah, if it weren't for the happenings, the events right now, I might actually like make the trip to the post office and return a couple of things. But honestly, with the discount for purchasing the whole box, that even just seems silly. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep everything. I'm super impressed. They really stepped up their game. I'm glad I got that Pinterest board to work. I think they do have an understanding now of my style, and I really would love to see them step it up and kind of, you know, give me some more edgy, fancy, fashion forward pieces. They did great on the casual. I love these. So I'm so impressed. Thank you so much, Stitch Fix. I'm gonna go ahead and leave down below if you guys want to use my link. You get like $25 off and I'll get $25 off. So that would be great. But yeah, I'm super, super impressed. And I hope that they continue to do well because I might be spending a bunch of money on this shit. Maybe this isn't a good idea. I don't know. Anyway, I'm very happy this month. So like I said, given that I don't want to leave my house, I'm keeping everything and I'm not upset about it. So anyway, good job. Thank you so much. And if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you would like to, go ahead and do that now. I would love that. Other than that, leave me comments down below. Tell me what your favorite piece was. Tell me if you would have kept everything. What do you think about the fit and everything else? Yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye.